Welcome to the 13th Annual BBC Conference. My name is Sarah Uribe and I'll be presenting on the dopamine D4 receptor antagonist, L-745-870, does not affect alcohol reward or self-administration in male mice. Alcohol use disorder is a medical diagnosis described as a chronic relapsing brain disease. It's characterized by uncontrollable alcohol use, loss of control over alcohol intake, and negative emotional state when not using alcohol. Although alcohol affects many parts of the body, one of the major organs it affects is the brain. The drug of interest of this study was L-745-870, a dopamine D4 receptor selective antagonist. L-745-870 was originally developed for the treatment of psychosis and schizophrenia, and it is known to have excellent oral bioavailability and brain penetration. Two initial control studies were conducted, rotor-rod and open-field testing, which are used to determine if coordination, function, and locomotor function are disrupted after the introduction of a drug. The results of the initial control studies indicated that the highest dose tested, 3 mg per kilogram, did not significantly disrupt rotor-rod coordination or locomotor activity in the animals that were tested. After initial control studies, a major test conducted was conditioned place preference testing, which was performed in order to determine if L-745-870 reduced ethanol self-administration behavior in mice. CPP results showed that 1.5 and 3.0 mg per kilogram of L-745-870 pretreatment did not significantly reduce conditioned place preference for 2 kg per kilogram of ethanol that was given as a post-injection. Following CPP with self-administration, operant training to test for L-745-870's effects on oral food and ethanol self-administration. The mice were trained to nose poke for either palatable food in the form of vanilla and sugar or ethanol with an 8% W per V in water using a fixed ratio system. 0, 1.5, or 3 mg per kg of the L-745-870 was administered via IP injections prior to self-administration sessions using a Latin square design. The operant chamber results show that 1.5 and 3.0 mg per kilogram of L-745-870 pretreatment did not significantly reduce food self-administration or ethanol self-administration. Results suggest that the drug L-745-870 is not an effective drug to be used for ethanol self-administration seeking behavior. Future research plans include testing and analyzing other drugs, testing drug combinations, and new novel compounds in order to compare results. Thank you.